A Rambler is defined as someone who enjoys a nice stroll amongst the countryside. The Rome Rambler was made for the mountains, the long dirt roads, the side hits, and the quick trips. It was made for those that like to embrace the wild and whatever adventures it brings. It's made for the Ramblers to go here or there, to do this or that with ease and comfort. The Rome Rambler was built with the on-the-go avid camper in mind, but also for those other guys.
Hey, I like it too.
Sure thing, but let's dive into why. 2-door awnings, 2 panoramic windows, 2 3/4-inch mattress, padded struts, insulated base and ceiling, pull-down closure straps, custom hardshell, quiet zippers, PU window zippers, aluminum reinforced roof, stainless steel latches, machined aluminum badge. And watch this. I don't want to say too much or ramble on too long, but this tent is for you. It's made by adventurers for those that love to adventure. Grab yours today and get rambling, you little ramblers.